Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram channels organized, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to add a Telegram channel to a brand new folder, making your chats easier to manage and find. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app. You'll see your list of chats and channels right on the main screen. Scroll through and find the channel you want to organize. Once you've found your channel, tap and hold on it. This long press will bring up a menu with more options at the top of your screen. Look for the 3 dots in the upper right corner and tap them. From the menu that appears, select Add to Folder. This is where you can choose an existing folder or create a new one. Since we're focusing on making a new folder, tap on Create New Folder. Now, it's time to give your folder a name. Think about what makes sense for you. Maybe it's news, work, or favorites. Type in your folder name. And if you want, you can even add an emoji for a personal touch. Once you're happy with the name, tap Save or Create to finish setting up your folder. Your new folder is now ready, and your selected channel has been added to it. You'll see the folder appear at the top of your chat list, making it easy to access all the channels or chats you add there in the future. Organizing your Telegram channels with folders is a simple way to keep your conversations tidy and efficient, especially if you follow a lot of channels or groups. You can repeat these steps to create more folders or add other chats and channels as needed. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly organized Telegram experience.